Hello everybody, my name is Jordan, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install over 1,000 Bible translations in your SmartVerses installation. Let's get started. So if you come over to the SmartVerses tab, there are two ways to access Bible translations. If you click on any of the Bible translations right here or here in the Bible tab on right here, you can click on Get More Translations. Also, if you correctly can go to the SmartVerses settings, you can go to translations and see all the Bible translations that you have right here. Now, to add more, just click on the Get More Translations. It opens the translations window. You can see here all the official translations that we support. So these are ones that we support and do have license to distribute. When we're working to get a lot more of these translations into the software. So you can always just search for any translation you want, like King James Version, and that will come up. And you can just hit the install button right here to install that translation, or you can uninstall it if you want to take out one of the translations out of your system. Now, if the translation you're looking for is not supported by us, and our team is working very hard to get most of the famous translations officially added here to our list, we do support third-party Bible translations that are hosted elsewhere. So you could do that in two ways. One is you can go to the third-party tab right here and add any distribution. If it ends with .xml, they probably have some kind of Bible data. Just a key thing to note, if it's not on the official list, then we do not validate the license. So you have to do your own due diligence to make sure that you can, you're allowed to use these Bible translations. But I'm going to show you a quick example of one of these. So if we have over to GitHub right here, this GitHub repo, I'm going to put a link to this down in the description. It says Holy Bible in XML format. If I come right here, they do have a .xml Bible URL right here. And I'm going to put a link to this URL in the description of this video so you can go in there and check it. So I will just copy that, come back here to third party and paste that URL here. So I have it pasted here. And then I'm going to click on Add Source. So now this has added the source. And now I have access to the over 1,000 Bible versions that are hosted on that repository. So most of the ones you're looking for in your different languages would probably already be on this repo. So you can just search for them and then go ahead and install that in the SmartVerses. Now, if what you're looking for, it's not among those 1,000 lists and you have it somewhere else, you can also just Google Bible in JSON format or Bible in XML format. And then you can come here to use our conversion tool that converts them in a compatible way for SmartVerses to understand. So like in this repository, they have this Bible in the Swahili translation. So I'm just going to download that. So I have the file right here. So I'm going to go back to SmartVerses and say XML and then just select the file. So I have that selected and I'm just going to click on load. So that has loaded the file and I can just put the name. I will call it SW and I would put that in Swahili translation and then convert. So I'm going to convert that and then I'm going to just say install a Bible translation. So that is now installed in my SmartVerses. So if I go on here and search for the Swahili translation, it's right there. And if I search for John 3:16, I believe this is correct. That is Swahili, I think. If you're a Swahili speaking person, you can let us know in comments. But there you go. That's how you can install brand new Bible versions on SmartVerses. Once again, I've put a link to all this down in the description. If you have any questions, let us know. I would be happy to assist.